Most gardens lose color by late summer. Mine doesn't. And one of the biggest reasons is this plant right here, Rudbeckia Goldsturm. And the reason is simple. This plant does not ask for much, but it gives a lot back. Bright yellow flowers, dark centers, loads of impact. And it keeps going when so many other plants have already had their moment. Grows in almost any soil. What makes Rudbeckia Goldsturm so useful here in the UK is how adaptable it is. It will cope with most common garden soils, including clay, loam and chalk, and it can handle acid, neutral or alkaline conditions. As long as the ground is not staying soggy in winter, put it in a sunny spot or even light shade and it just gets on with it. Long flowering season, June to first frost in October. Then there's the flowering season, and this is where it really earns its place. Rudbeckia Goldsturm comes into its own from mid to late summer and carries on right into autumn, often through to October. So while other flowers are slowing down, this one is still pumping out color and keeping the border alive. Abundance of flowers. And when I say flowers, I mean flowers in abundance, not one or two apologetic blooms. I mean proper coverage. Once the clump gets established, you get a brilliant mass of yellow that stands out from a distance and instantly lifts the whole garden. Fantastic cut flower. It's also a fantastic cut flower, so you're not just getting color outside, you can bring that same cheerful look indoors as well. One plant can brighten the border and your home at the same time. Winter interest. Another thing I love about it is that the job doesn't end when the flowers fade. I actually leave the dry stems and seed heads standing through winter. They still look beautiful, especially with frost on them. They add structure to the garden and they are useful for wildlife too. Then in March or April, that's when I cut everything back. Gives you free plants every year, divide in spring. And this plant gives you something else as well, more plants. Once it's formed a good clump, you can divide it in spring. So from one healthy plant, you can create several. Keep them for other parts of the garden, give them to friends or family, or even sell a few locally and put that money into your next gardening project. That's why I rate Rudbeckia Goldsturm so highly. It flowers for ages, works in a wide range of UK garden conditions, gives you armfuls of blooms, looks good even in winter and needs very little fuss. No complicated routine, no special treatment, just a hard-working perennial that earns its space year after year. So if you only buy one perennial plant this year, I honestly think this should be high on your list. Let me know in the comments if you already grow Rudbeckia Goldsturm or what your favorite late summer perennial is, and subscribe for more practical UK gardening tips.